Hey everyone, welcome to the Willer channel. Today I'll show you how to upload your map to an Aternos server. First, download a Minecraft server map from any website. Choose one you like, download it, and you're set. Next, go to Aternos, click Worlds, then Upload. Choose either a folder or archive. I've got an archive with 2 maps, so I'll select that and upload it. Once it's uploaded, your map will be installed. Note that Java and Bedrock maps are different. If you have a Java server, you can't use a Bedrock World map. After the upload process is complete, you'll be able to start your server and play on your new map. Don't forget to like and subscribe too.